Hey there, here's a quick tutorial on how to change out the lenses for your Nuance Audio Glasses. This is very simple to do. We're basically just going to push from the back out forwards and apply a rolling motion with my hands. I'm going to put some pressure on the top and bottom of the frame and roll this way with my hand to push the lenses out the front. It's nice and simple, just needs a push like that. And there we go, lenses out. I'll just show you that again with the other one here. I'm going to turn it around and just roll that through, and there you go, lens comes out nice and easily like that. Now if you want to put these back in, or if you're swapping them out for prescription lenses, you'll just want to do essentially the reverse, so pushing from the front inwards. I'm going to start by lining this up along the corner and edges of the frames here. What I'm looking to do is get this corner by the arm in first and put some pressure along that top edge to get that in initially. Just going to push that in that way until that's getting in that corner where my right thumb is here. And then I'm applying some pressure down this side and then down along into the corner at the bottom there until you hear that satisfying click. I'm just going to show you that again with the other one. So I'm lining that up in this corner, or in this corner as well. And once those are in, this is getting some pressure down through that way, and there, that clicks in into that corner.